So, let's do this. You ready? I'm going to keep rewriting this until you see why the power that the answer will I am give us is correct. But
because you do.
Yes. Can you just say William? Oh my gosh.
will
No.
okay. So I'm going to write.
You forgot that.
Oh, there's an S? Will I am's. My apology. Pluralize that stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's write this. Can I write 8 as 2 to the 3, right? What power of 1/2 to the 1 will give me 1/2 to the 3rd? What's the difference here? What changed? Yeah, 3. Because 1/2 is, see that? What's 1 to the 3rd power? What's 2 to the 3rd power? So that's why your answer was right. It's 3, because 1/2 to the 3rd power, properties of exponents said we can just distribute the power. So 1 to the 3rd is 1, 2 to the 3rd is 8. See that? 1 to the 3rd is 1, 2 to the 3rd is 8.
Issues.
LIB Records, Black Power Music. Okay.
Can we move on now?
Next one. You still confused? Where?
So you just guessed the 3?
So 8. Okay. So
then we pick 3.
the reason we got this is we got a 2 here, right? So 8, we just said from the beginning is 2 times 2 times 2.
Oh.
Oh my
Which is, how many 2s do we have?
Okay.
It's all right. So can we move on now? We're good? All right. No, you're not. Just a question. A lot of people thinking that, but they're not asking. So they're happy that you're asking.
Yes.
Now, you say you didn't want to be a part of them, so you just assisted them, but that was not your answer. So your problem is now not 100 of them. It's still 99 because you're not Jay-Z. 99 problem. Jay-Z got 100 now. But he always said I had 99 problems, but she only one. And then Lemonade came out, and she was definitely one. So now it's 99 plus 1. He got 100 problems now. Okay. What power? Are you ready? No. I'm giving this to my sister. I'm gonna see if you're really Liberian today.
I'm not Liberian.
Oh, she's like, no, take that away. What power of 42 gives me 1? Think about it. We just did properties of exponents.
1.
Hold on, not you. I'm talking to my sister over there. She got red on today because it's Valentine's Day. So let's see if there's going to be, popping. So what power, are you ready? Of 42 will give me 1. All right, let's think it. Let's keep that and let's think through it. What power? What power of anything will give me 1? What power do I have to raise something to if that thing is not 0? What power do I have to raise anything to give me 1?
I just got
I'm still waiting. You You got an answer?
I got
Thank you.
Oh my
So,
God.
so now, what power of 42 will give me 1? 0, because? Because what? Because anything to the 0 is 1 if that thing is not 0. So 42 to the 0 is 1. You see how we did that dance all around? Man, I'm working too hard for the easiest thing.
Listen, at some
Oh, okay. XIV. What power of 2 will give me 1/4? Who am I going to?
That's the wrong one.
My Nigerian cousin. That's the wrong one?
Hell no.
Which one?
100.
Oh, you got it. What power of 100? Hey, let's listen up. What power of 100 gives me 0.01?
I don't know.
I'm asking my Nigerian cousin over there. This whole, West African stuff, ECOWAS, ECOWAS. Let's do this. What power? 100. 0.01. Should I break it down a little bit more? All right, let's break this down one step. I'm going to write this as a fraction. Okay? So, this is still the same question, though. What power of 100 gives me 1/100? Huh? 1/1? But that's just 1. So, what power do I raise this thing to get 1/100? So, hold on. If I want to write 100 as a fraction, what's the denominator here?
just make it negative.
Wait. I got 100/1. What power do I have to raise 100/1 to get 1/100? Oh, like doing that? But what power makes us to do that? No, you're right. It's a flip. But what power makes us to flip? What is the power on this thing? What's the exponent here? +1, right? So what should this power be if we're going to change this to that? If we're going to rotate it, then what happens to our power? You're thinking it's it. Which property in your blue paper, properties of exponent, which property can allow me to get from here to here? A -1. Finally, -1. Because 100 to the -1 is 1/100, which is 0.01. -1. And that's why. Y'all still got the properties of exponents. We just took a test on that yesterday. So let's do this. So I'm going to rewrite this. What power of 2? 2 squared is still 4, right? Are you following? Okay. So we're still going to write this again. What power of 2 gives me What's my answer now? What power of 2 gives me 2 to the -2? What power do I have to raise 2 to get 2 to the -2?
What?
I said 1.
No, that's not the answer. What power, if I had 2 to the 1, how does that become 2 to the negative 2. All right. If I have 2, how does it become 2 to the negative 2? Negative 2 is what happened here.
I'm telling you, it's all in the brain, bro.
What? It's right there.
But then we make it negative.
Brain speak, bro.
Because on the paper, it don't say negative.
Yeah, it is a negative 2 because 2 to the negative 2 is what? 1 over 2 to the positive 2, which is 1 over 4, which is what we needed in the first place anyway. It's math. It has to be easy.
What? Easy.
It's not easy.
Check page.
Y'all just make it hard. That's the point.
Mr. Goy be throwing curveballs in the test.
For some of y'all, just writing your name is a curveball from Mr. Goya. So I'm just, like, oh, what does it mean? Like, N-A-M-E, what does that mean? Like some folks whose name is Clarence, but they still read Terrence. Don't even know their names, but they're in 11th grade. Those folks. Are we good? Now, your classwork and homework and outside of Goya's homework, wherever you're going to do them, whether you are lunch doing it or you are work doing it or you're on the bus going somewhere doing it, it's going to be on page 51. The exercises from 1 to 9. 51 ends on 52. So those problems, you see the problems we're talking about?
So he wants to do 1 to 8?
1 through 9.
Okay, oh, so
1 through 9. How many people? He said 1 through 8. I said 1 through 9. He said 1 through 8. I said 1 through 9. She went, wait. Their accent is so messed up. I'm going to ask in the other accent. Did you mean 1 through 8? 1 through 9. Very funny. All right, well, make sure you do that work before you come here tomorrow. Otherwise, Goya's going to have some issues. Short people problems. Black boy,